Welcome to Basic Troubleshooting Techniques for Everyday Tech Issues. Whether you're dealing with a slow computer, a smartphone that won't charge, or Wi-Fi that keeps dropping, we've all been there. In this video, we'll guide you through some fundamental troubleshooting steps that can help you resolve these common tech issues. No need to be a tech guru. These basic techniques are simple and effective, designed to save you time and frustration. First, let's start with the most well-known troubleshooting step: restarting your device. Whether it's your computer, smartphone, or any other device, a simple restart can often resolve many common problems. This process can clear out temporary glitches and free up system resources. We'll show you how to safely restart your devices to fix issues like freezing, slow performance, or connectivity problems. Next, let's check your connections. Loose or damaged cables can be the culprit behind many hardware issues. We will walk you through how to inspect and secure all connections, including power cords, USB cables, and HDMI cables. Ensuring that everything is properly connected can often be the simple fix you need to get your device back up and running smoothly. Moving on, clearing the cache and cookies can significantly improve the speed and functionality of your devices. Over time, your devices accumulate temporary files that can slow them down. We'll guide you through the steps to clear these out on various devices, including computers and smartphones. This not only speeds up your device, but also resolves issues like errors in loading websites or apps.